Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram feedback required errors. This is a problem. Okay, let's fix it. Go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on applications and permissions. Here go to app manager. Scroll down and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. In Instagram app info, tap on internal storage. From here clear all data. Tap on OK. Go back. Tap on permissions. And here allowed our permissions. Now go to Play Store. Search for Instagram. Update Instagram. My Instagram has already updated. Complete your updated and go back to Instagram. Login Instagram. In this way you can fix Instagram feedback required errors. So this was a process by which you can fix Instagram feedback required errors. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.